my life! Holy shit! Whoa, 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 whoa! See? One minute, wait. Thanks, buddy. King Belland!
It really is just a standstill at the moment.
And heatwaves and mild weather have hit Octopus Energy Group's profits this year. The firm, which runs Britain's biggest electricity and gas suppliers,
What's in there? Are we going to turn right? You were in the wrong lane on Arsehole Avenue roundabout, weren't you? Nora. Wrong lane.
Nope, one's over here. Nope, one's over there. There's one over here.
What were you doing? What are you doing? Fantastic driving from a professional there.
Ah, mate, there's literally a right turn lane. You can go on dash cam. Why do you so...
Don't mind me coming through.
Things like that cause accidents. It's fucking off. And then straight on to the next car to do it again.
You're not gonna go right. Knew it.
front.
Mark him, but he's off enough.
Just went on the pavement to go through the light, essentially.
Yeah.
Looks a bit more okay. You were just in this lane. Why have you gone up? People. Some people can't see beyond the end of their blooming bonnet, honestly. Would it not have made sense to stay in the lane you were in originally until you were further up the road and you had a bit more room? You've been in and out of lane 1 and 2. Now you're doing it again! What lane do you want to be in? Back to lane 2. What was all that? What's the point in all that? Just stay where you are. Honestly.
That's why you drive in a staggered formation.
I'm not going to blame them for it. Bloody ignore that pothole's huge. Deep chasm. Craters. Or pothole dodge. Jesus.
Looks like somebody hasn't been having their Weetabix, doesn't it?
Addison Street. Didn't fancy indicating? No worries. I'll show you how. That is some pretty nice parking though. Terrible indicating. Pretty sweet parking. Didn't bother with your indicators, did you?
You idiot. No indication.
Nice.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, look at the Corvette.
NFC 632S. Beautiful.
Jesus. It's been a target on Earth.